I just got the go. That means it's time to record. Yay. This is the instruction video for 20 seconds. Video editing, 20 seconds. We're going to do this in Premiere Pro. So go find the purple PR. If you don't have it on your quick start bar, because I moved you or something, then go to Launchpad here and go find the purple PR and click, hold, and drag it down to your quick start bar. Again, only if you don't have it there already, and then go ahead and click on it, get it started. If it asks you any questions about accessing folders, please make sure you click OK to allow it to access those folders. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to function as well in this for this assignment. So make sure you do that. All right. All right. So we're here. At the beginning here, so we're going to go up here to a new project. Okay, and we want to call this new project, I'm up here in the top left. We want to call this new project 20 seconds, no spaces, right? And then for the project location, we want to click this drop down. It's really important you do all these things. Just click this drop down arrow, click choose location, okay? You're going to get this Finder window. It looks kind of like this. Open up. Go to the bottom of it. Well, first go click on Documents, and then go to the bottom here where it says New Folder, and click New Folder and call it 20 seconds. And I'm going to put an X just because I already got a 20 seconds folder. You don't need the X, but just call it 20 seconds and click Create. And then click choose. Okay, it's real important that you do that, right? For each video, we need its own folder. Now, that takes care of everything. So now we're going to go over here to the bottom right, and we're going to click create. Create. Oh, let me move this out of the way and click create. Create. There it goes. It's thinking. All right, now we're here. All right, and we need a timeline. We need a sequence. We're going to go File, New Sequence, File, New Sequence, and depending on what you've got, if you have the HD 1080p, twirl that open and go find the 1080p 2997 option here. If you don't have that, you have something else. You need to go find 1080p at 30 frames per second, 29.97 rounds to 30, right? So you're going to have to find, I think it's under AVCHD, and then twirl open 1080p, and then select the HD 1080p 30 frames per second, if you have that one instead of this one, okay? For the sequence name, we're going to call this 20 seconds, no spaces, and click OK. All right. All right, so now we're ready to start. The storyboard to guide you through the pieces in the order for your storyboard, the timeline, is on the board. It's a storyboard called 20 seconds. It's up there on the right side of the board, to the right of the Batman sign, or Batman face mask, right? All right, so the first thing we need to do is get a title. So we're going to come up here, right up here, the top right, and we're going to click on this. When you hover over it, it's workspaces, and we're going to go down and click captions and graphics. We want to click captions and graphics. So you have this list here. And then I need you to scroll down until you find film title. It's called film title. I want you to use the one that's called film title. It's way down here. It's right here, right? And if you hover over it and move the mouse back and forth, you'll see the animation. And I want you to click, hold, and drag that all the way over to the left on layer V1. Video 1, V1, right here. Drag it all the way over to the left, right? Right there. Drag it over to there. Let me go back to the browse so it doesn't change anything. Now, you can see that this has a lot of time. It's got 8.5 minutes. So we want to zoom in because this 20 seconds is not going to be longer than 30 seconds, right? It's 20 seconds of video clips. No more than 20 seconds of video clips, but plus the title and the ending rolling credits will make it like maybe 30 seconds. So we're going to come down here. See where I'm at? Right down here, and we're going to click, hold, and drag that to the left to zoom into our timeline. And let's get the timeline to end at about, like maybe 50 seconds or 48 seconds. We're talking about up here, right? So you can see that greatly, that 5 seconds, the default size of your title is going to be 5 seconds. So that is plenty of room for your video, because your video is going to end somewhere over here, okay? So make sure you do that. Don't work with these tiny little slivers. Go ahead and zoom in. Just don't zoom in past the end of your video so you can see the whole video on the timeline, right? Okay. So now what I want you to do is click, hold, and drag the playhead over the graphic template here so that you see both lines right up here. So it says your title here, so I'm going to double click there. I'm going to call this 20 seconds. Now this you can put a space in. And then I want you to go to the episode name, double click there, and you kind of erase all that. Actually, double clicking won't work. You're going to have to click, hold, and drag. And you want to delete the backspace key and put your name. Right? And that takes care of that, right? So now we'll have it pop up like that. There we go. That looks good. All right. It's probably good to save at this point. So all you have to do is a Command S. So I'm going to do a Command S. There, it's saved, right? Okay, good. Now, let's go and get our first clip, because if you look at the storyboard, it says we need clip 1. So again, you just want to go grab clips that you could assemble together into a fake movie, a fake 20-second movie, okay? So you decide which clips to use and put it together any way you want, right? And you're giving me either 3 clips or 4 clips at the most, okay? Don't go more than 4. And the more clips you add, the shorter each clip needs to be, because you don't want the clips to add up to more than 20 seconds or so. All right, so I've got to go import some clips. So I'm going to go up here to File, Import, and I want to go to Room 31. Wait for it, wait for it. Now, if it asks you for the username and password, you're going to put RM31 for the username and student for the password. Okay, waiting for it. There it goes. And we want to click on the stock video folder, stock videos, and I'm going to go to Act 1, and I'm going to go get I See Dead People. So I'm going to click on that and click Import. Okay, and then I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to put the scene where he says I see dead people. That's right here. I think this is it. I see dead people. Okay, perfect. So let me put the scrubber right before it. I'm going to click my, remember this for editing, you click the in. I see dead people. And then I'm going to mark my out, right? My in and my out right there. Now I get this piece here, and I'm going to click, hold, and drag that down to video 1, and I'm going to snap it into place right next to my title, right? I got my audio right there. Good. All right, that's clip 1. Now I need to go get clip 2, and let's see, how long was that? Oh, that was short. That was like a minute, a second and a half. That's really short. Perfect. Short's good. All right, File, Import. Now I need to get another. And I'm going to go get the Rocky Act 1 scene, double click on that. All right, so I'm going to double click on this guy, and let's see, I want, let me see his play. And let's go to, you want to know? Yeah, I want to know. So let's go to that scene. Yeah, I want to know. Let's go to that one, I like that. You know, I've been coming in for 6 years. 6 years you've been sticking it to me. I want to know how come. All right, so I'm going to mark there, mark my in there. You don't want to know. Yeah, I want to know how come. You want to know? I want to know how. Okay, right there. Perfect, perfect. I like that back and forth they just did. click my out, and I'm going to go click, hold, and drag that down to here. Ooh, that was a little bit longer, but that's still, that was 6 seconds, so that's okay. That's okay. So you see how I did that? If you need to delete a clip, you just click on it and hit the backspace key. So let's drag this back in. So I'm going to click somewhere up here, click, hold, and drag that down to video 1, and I'm going to snap it into place at the end of I See Dead People. Right? So now we have that. Now we have that. Okay, I'll show you how to fix the screen size too. All right, next I need another clip. I'm at 12 seconds yet here. So let's go here to File, Import. Ooh, this video is turning into a long one. And I'm going to go back here. Let's go. I'm going to, oops, room 31, stock video. Come on now. And let's see. How about I go with the Ebony Splash. Okay, so let's just go find where she jumps in the water. All right. About here. Mark my in. Boom. Got to get that giggle. Got to get the giggle in. Okay, got that. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag that guy in. Okay, so now I've got 3. I'm at 15 seconds. Perfect. Perfect. This is perfect. All right. Okay. And let's go and just get one more. File, import, and let's see. Let's get this guy, the dirt bike, and the skate and the surf. Double click that, and I just want to get the surfer right about here. Mark my in. And yeah, right there. 2 seconds. Perfect. Drag that into place. So now I got my 4 clips. Don't go to more than 4 clips. It's perfect. 17 seconds, almost 18 seconds here. Perfect. This is a perfect movie here. All right. So you can see that 2 of these fit the frame, but you can also see the first 2 don't. So what you want to do is on the clip that you need to resize, you need to change the scale, right click over it, just right click somewhere in the middle of it, right? Somewhere in the middle, so you don't have that red guy that pops up, somewhere in the middle, and you want to click scale to frame size. Okay, and you want to do that on any frame that doesn't, any clip that doesn't fit the frame. So I got to do this one, right click, scale to frame size. On this one, I'm going to do it again just to see if it's maybe too big. Oh yeah, see, it helped me zoom out. That was probably a 4K video that I just made now 2K. And on this one, let's right click over this one. So it doesn't hurt to do it. Nothing needed there. Okay, so I needed it on 3 out of the 4 clips. All right. And then the last thing to do, oh my God, I got to hurry. We're almost out of time, is I need to click back up here on Browse. Okay. And I need to put the scrubber, over, somewhere over the end of it, right? Somewhere out on the end where it's past the clips. And I'm going to go and click on the type tool here, and I'm going to go up on my screen here, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to put the, and then end, make it 2 lines. You click now on the selection tool and resize it, and I'm going to come over here to the text properties, and I'm going to align it in the center aligned, right? Okay, and you can see it's 5 seconds long, so I'm going to move the scrubber so I can put it into place. There, snap it into place. There we go. Yay. And let's see, I want it to roll to the end, so what I need to do is click out somewhere. Just click out into the non-text box area, and you should get this screen to pop up. Just click roll. Okay, and it's going to start off screen and end off screen. So that's perfect. All right, so you have your rolling text just like that. All right, there we go. Command S again. And we're done. Now we're ready to export it. So we're going to go File, Export, Media. We're going to get to this screen. We're going to go up here, click on this link right here. And you want to make sure that's going into your documents and into your 20 seconds folder. Click Save, and then click Export. Let it do its thing, and then you want to submit. You want to submit to the Schoology assignment. You see, so you're going to get this little window that pops up that you've successfully exported. So now you're going to browse to Schoology, go to Schoology, and submit your 20seconds.mp4. 20seconds.mp4. Let's go here so I can show it to you. Documents, and then 20 seconds. Dang, I got a lot of folders. 20 seconds X. Where is that? 20 seconds X. There it is. Double click on it. So it's right there. See, it 20 seconds.mp4. Upload that to the Schoology assignment and upload that to your video Wix page. Your Wix page, your video Wix page, okay? And you are done. Good luck. Take care. Have fun with this. Bye. Oh, and then of course, make sure you go and quit Premiere, and if it asks you to save, make sure you save it, but I saved it. Yay, we're done. Bye.